Yasir and the lesson of truth. Yasir came from a well-educated family. His parents were learned, and his siblings were well-mannered. Yasir himself was smart in his studies, but he had developed a habit of lying. One day, Yasir didn't do his homework. After coming home from school, he spent the entire evening playing with his friends. When he returned, he was too tired, so after dinner, he went straight to bed without doing his homework. The next day, when he went to school, the teacher asked why he hadn't completed his homework.
My grandfather had a heart attack, and everyone at home was really worried. We all went to the hospital and came back very late. That's why I couldn't do my homework,
Yasir said with an innocent expression.
Or that's okay. Please try to complete it today.
The teacher replied kindly. Yasir was happy that his lie had been believed.
This means I'm a good actor and lying can help in tough situations,
Yasir thought to himself. Later, when Yasir's mother went to the school to submit the fee, she met Yasir's class teacher.
How is your father now? Yasir told me he had a heart attack,
The teacher asked.
Was absolutely fine. Why would Yasir say that?
His mother asked in surprise. The teacher explained everything, and Yasir's mother apologized. Then she asked,
How is Yasir doing in his studies? He's a good student. If he puts in more effort, he can do even better,
The teacher replied. When Yasir returned home that afternoon, his mother said,
Son, lies can never stay hidden. You lied to your teacher about your grandfather's health. I was so embarrassed because of your lie. But, Mom, if lying helps in difficult situations, isn't it okay?
Yasir replied shamelessly.
No, my dear. A lie is a lie. It is the root of all evils. Always remember, lies can never become truth, and they can never stay hidden,
His mother said firmly. But Yasir didn't care. He continued lying to his friends and family. Eventually, people started losing trust in Yasir. No one believed anything he said anymore, but Yasir didn't seem to mind. One day, his mother said,
Son, I have housework to do, and today is the last date to pay your school fee. In giving you the money, please pay it and bring back the receipt. Yes, Mom. You'll submit the fee. Yasir promised.
But when he got to school and opened his bag, the money was missing. He was confused and worried all day. He clearly remembered putting the money in a book after receiving it from his mom, but now it was nowhere to be found. At home, he was quiet and upset. His mother asked what was wrong, and Yasir told her everything.
Son, don't lie again. His
Mother said sternly.
I'm not lying, Mom.
Yasir said,
Almost in tears, I've told you many times that even lying as a joke is wrong. You never listened.
She scolded him again.
Well, you're telling the truth this time, Yasir cried.
Unable to convince her. The next day, Yasir's mother went to the school herself and paid the fee. This incident made Yasir start thinking.
When I used to lie, everyone believed me. But now, when I'm telling the truth, even my mom doesn't believe me.
He told the whole story to his elder sister.
When a person lies too often, they lose their credibility. That's why no one, not even Mom, can trust what you say now.
She explained.
You'll never lie again. I didn't know that when a liar tells the truth, even that isn't believed,
Yasir said with determination. Yasir became quieter at school. He stopped lying, even in jokes, and focused more on his studies. But he still worried about how to regain his mother's trust. Exams were over and Yasir was on his school break. One day, he sat down in his room with a storybook. Suddenly, something fell out of the book.
Core, what's this?
Where did this money come from? Yasir said as he picked up the cash. He counted it. It was exactly the amount his mother had given him for the school fee. Then he remembered and had placed the money in the storybook, not the school book, and had completely forgotten about it. Excited, he ran to his mother. Mom,
I found the money, he shouted.
What money? His mother asked.
The money you gave me for the school fee, I had kept it in my storybook by mistake. That's good to know,
She replied.
See, Mom, I wasn't lying. Here's the proof.
Yasir said
Earnestly, Son, when a person loses their credibility, even their truth isn't trusted. Lying is the root of all evil. It makes others lose respect and faith in you. but truth always brings benefit in the long run,
she explained gently.
Mom, I promise I'll never lie again. I've already paid the price for lying,
Yasir said, hugging her. His mother kissed his forehead and said,
You'll add some money to this and buy you a new bicycle. That will be your reward for speaking the truth.
Yasir jumped with joy. Kids, how did you like our story? If you enjoyed it, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.